I have been obsessed with this waterless essential oil diffuser. It smells so good. I love that it has timer settings. You can also change it from low, medium, and high, and it's portable and rechargeable. So many amazing things about this. The one that I have came in a kit, so it actually came with 2 different oils, and both of these oils smell so luxurious. I have this one in it right now, but this one smells delicious as well. This one is more like ambery and like woodsy, and this one is more like clean, hotel, nice. I don't even know. Both of them are so good. You can't go wrong with either option. These ones are the 30 ounce or 30 milliliter bottles, my bad. And this is the container. It's literally like smaller than my hand. Right now I have it on low, so what happens is it will mist every I think it's 180 seconds. So every 3 minutes, it'll diffuse for about 5 seconds. If I change the setting to medium, can you see that? Okay, so you can hear it go off. It's like a quiet little hum. When it's on level medium, it's 15 seconds of diffusion, and then it pauses for 150 seconds. And then level high, it diffuses for 30 seconds, and then it has a pause for 2 minutes. So you can kind of change it how you want. It also has different light settings as well. So you can see, oh, I just wasn't paying attention. You can see that the light will come on. It's really bright in here, so you can't really see. Okay, there you go. So it has like a little light right there, and then you also can change it to a timer as well. So like for today, I don't need it on all day, but like 3 hours would be good. So it's 1 hour, 3 hours, and 6 hours. So super versatile. You can kind of customize it. I love that it's small. Sometimes I actually will put this in my car too. And then it just kind of like frequently diffuses my car to make it smell good. So love it. I am obsessed with this. The brand actually sent it to me. It is like a high quality airless diffuser. I love that you don't have to put water in it too. And it's super simple to clean since it's small. So very impressed with it. Makes your house or your room or your car, wherever you're putting it, smell so good. Literally, it's luxurious. I love it.